iReport number 10 lists all patients with their insurance information. Use this tool to find your patients covered by a specific insurance company and know their insurance and demographic information. Know the percents of your patients covered by insurance versus private pay. Insurance managers use the tool to know in advance of a patient's appointment their insurance coverage and who their carriers are. Perfect to know if a patient has both medical and vision coverage. Use this tool to update your past recall dates based on a patient's insurance coverage. To use this tool, open iReport number 10. Click the Refresh Data button to get the latest data from OfficeMate. Tab 2 lets you select using the filters at the top of the page to find patients with a specified company, and then by location, last exam date, or patient entry dates. Use the calculation area if you want to analyze what percent of your patients are covered by each company. When the filter is all, you can see the total of all patients, here 10,509. Let's select VSP patients. Added during 2012. And know the number of patients added with that company. Here it's 214. But if you unselect 2012, here 4,648 patients are covered by VSP. Compare that to the total patients with no insurance, which is 926. So 44% of the total patient base is covered by VSP and 8% is private pay. Their insurance details are included as you scroll across the columns. All columns are also available as a filter, so you can see the number of VSP patients that are in a specific zip code, or how many are female. For example, select VSP, select female. 2,558 patients are female versus 2,010 are males. Tab 3 shows the same information except the insurance company is associated with the name. So you can see by insurance company all patients with that carrier. Here you can see all Blue Cross patients. All the details again are across the columns. If your insurance manager wants to know in advance of a patient's appointment whether they are covered by both medical and vision insurance, use tab 4. Select an appointment date, and see the scheduled patients on all of their insurance carrier information, should the carriers need to be contacted for eligibility or authorization. iReport 360 can also be used by your insurance manager to know scheduled patients who need authorization. Tab 5, Recall Dates, can be used to find patients with past recall dates. Select recall dates before your current date and find those that need to be updated. Look at the carrier and know how many months before the patient they can be recalled. iReport number 10 is the iReport to use to know all of your needs to analyze your patient base by insurance carriers.